I'm a Croatian photographer living in Chongqing. On this trip, I flew more than half across China to come to Hotan, Xinjiang with my traveler friend Li Lu.
We will go and take the new railway loop that circles the world's second largest sand-shifting desert.
It's going to be a special experience. How it's going to look like? You'll see soon.
Hello, good morning. Here, the Hotan railway station.
We're finally here. We talked about that yesterday, that we will go and take this cross-desert train today.
Yes. 我们走过去了，哇哦！
Taklamakan Desert, the world's second largest sand-shifting desert in the northwest China. The road between Hotan and Ruoqiang lies along the southern edge of the Taklamakan Desert, where 7 months long wind and sandy weather makes traveling much more difficult. Now the newly commenced Hotan-Ruoqiang Railway has addressed the difficulties. The new railway connects 3 existing desert railways and gives 5 counties in southern Xinjiang train access for the first time.
那我们从6月份开通到现在，我们一共有发多少辆车了？
在若河下每天有一趟客车，开通一直到现在，已经运送了大概有7.5万多旅客。这条路应该说
The train is very special. Even though it opened only in June this year, the people that are inside almost exclusively all local. Their travel times between destinations has been like cut in half. It's remarkable what they've done.
我跟马丁，我们也想体验一下，就是在车上为大家服务的这样的一个过程。
我们有车辆乘务员，另外呢就是我们的客运乘务员，专门就是在车厢里面为旅客提供服务的。
Which one you want to be?
I think I will go for the fruits today.
卖水果，
买水果，
没问题。
Ready?
Ready? 好，那这里。我的。
买水果，买水果。
各位新鲜水果，
买水果，买水果，买水果。
小黄瓜，
你要哪个？
这个。
这个。
好的，谢谢。
车上的车辆乘务员呢，他因为他负责咱们车上的所有的车辆设备，是我们的车上的车辆乘务员。
你好。
刚才给你介绍的。
那我就跟着我的师傅去检查一下。
特有的我们这车防风沙嘛，那么整个像我们这个地方一般都是缝隙比较大的地方，然后风沙容易进来。 然后我们这个地方专门做了这个防风条，我们这样就翻盘里面不会进来影响旅客。
明白了。
这都是我们这个车跟别的车不太一样的。
吃红吃，西瓜、蜜瓜，买水果，买水果。哦，你好。
有啥好吃的呀？
哦，好吃，好吃。很酸呢。
阿姨，您是从哪里过来呀？
从海口过来的。
哦，海口。
海口。
中国最南。
That's far。我知道海南。
这次我们是下决心一定要全程走一个这个铁路，事前做了功课的，知道这条铁路呀修建以后呢，那个南疆的从和田到于丰这一带的民众啊，他们就不用再从和田往西走，他现在往东走就可以了。 太方便了，太好了。
I really hope you're going to have so much fun on your trip.
Yes.
Yeah.
Martin and I had experienced several jobs on the train. To ensure a comfort, pleasant, and safe journey, our staff has done a good job, and we are glad to be part of them.
高高山上有个小伙子，这个小姑娘。
Sitting on this train and looking at the local people, I think they are actually happy that this is happening, that this train line opened, and it seems that it's making their life easier and simpler. Looking at them singing and dancing and being able to experience this different cultural approach, I do like the atmosphere here, and I hope that things get better and better from here.
China has an old saying, a road in operation will prosper in everything. Hotan-Ruoqiang Railway has completed the loop circles the desert. The railway has not only facilitated people's traveling, but also integrated the region with the rest of the country, lowered transportation costs, and injected vitalities into the trade route along the ancient Silk Road.